Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to set up your Amazon affiliate payment method in 2025 step by step. Let's get started and make sure your make sure you get paid. First of all, go to affiliateprogram.amazon.com or associate uh, Seller Central. Log into your account. First of all, go to then open your dashboard. If you just created a new account, make sure your account is approved before setting payments. Once you are inside your dashboard, hover over your email at the top. Then click on account settings. Now click on change payment method or payment and tax information. You will see three options: direct deposits, the fastest and easiest way to get paid. Then Amazon gift card paid in Amazon credit. Then check by mail, slower and available only in some countries. Recommendations: I highly recommend deposit if you want fast and easy payouts. If you choose direct payment, now you will need to fill out your bank details. Just enter your bank name, then account number, then routing number, for US banks. Select whether it's a checking or savings account. Make sure your details are 100% accurate to avoid payment delays. If you are outside the US and don't have US bank account, you can sign up for Payoneer. They give you a virtual US bank account that you can use to receive direct deposits from Amazon. Just go to Payoneer, log into your account or click register for new account. Then click sign in. Once you are in, click get paid option from the left sidebar. Then click request payment or go back to here and click receiving accounts. Now choose your currency like USDT, then click on that account. You will see the US bank details, the routing number, your bank name, etc. After that, use the banking details they gives you and paste them into Amazon's payment form. After you fill in your payment method, don't forget to submit your tax information interview. Like IBAN, International Bank Account Number. The IBAN is an international number for your account which facilities processing for cross-border transactions. BIC, Bank Identifier Code. The BIC, an unique global code for a credit institution. By using this information, they can carry out cross-border transfers. It's a it's a quick form where you tell Amazon about your tax status, whether you are in the US or another country. Without completing this step, you won't receive your any payments. So fill up complete the process. Now, if you want to change your payment type, just go to payment option, then click fits your needs, then enter your credentials like gift card number. If you wish to be paid with a gift certificate, they will send an email to the email address on the account with the gift card claim code for you to redeem on any account. They'll not send payment until the total amount due is at least $10. There is no processing fee for payment via gift certificate. So that's it. You have now set up your Amazon affiliate payment method for 2025 soon. You will be getting your commissions automatically. If you found this helpful, smash the like button, subscribe for more Amazon affiliate tips, and drop a comment if you want a full tutorial on maximizing your commissions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.